Have you ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes to create that Domino Ace pizza you love so much? That perfect combination of crispy crust, tangy sauce, savory cheese, and delicious toppings that arrives right at your doorstep. Well, today, we're pulling back the curtain and taking you on an exclusive journey from the factory floor to the heat of the pizza oven. We're going to uncover the secrets behind how millions of Domino Ace pizzas are made every single day, revealing a fascinating blend of high-tech automation and skilled human touch. Get ready, because you'll never look at your slice of pepperoni pizza the same way again. It all starts with the most fundamental ingredient, the dough. This isn't just any dough. It's the foundation of the entire Domino's experience. The process begins in massive, highly specialized regional dough production facilities. Think of these as the heart of the operation. Here, gigantic mixers, capable of handling hundreds of pounds at a time, combine simple, high-quality ingredients, flour, water, yeast, and a special blend of seasonings that gives Domino's crust its signature flavor. The recipe is a closely guarded secret, perfected over decades to ensure consistency across every single store. Once the dough is mixed to the perfect consistency, a process monitored by computers to ensure it is not too wet or too dry. It's time for the magic of fermentation to begin. The massive ball of dough is divided into smaller, individual pizza-sized portions, which we call dough balls. Precision is key. Each dough ball is weighed to the exact gram to guarantee that a small pizza has the dough for a small pizza and a large for a large. This is the first step in ensuring that the pizza you order in New York is the same great quality as one you get in California. These perfectly portioned dough balls are then placed into special trays, but they're not ready for toppings just yet. They need to rest and proof. The trays are stacked and rolled into large, temperature-controlled rooms. This is where the yeast gets to work, slowly fermenting the dough, developing its flavor and creating the light, airy texture that we all know and love. This proofing process can take a couple of days. It's a slow, natural method that can't be rushed. It's this patience that builds the complex flavors in the crust. Once they've reached the peak of perfection, the trays are loaded onto refrigerated trucks, ready for their journey. These trucks are essentially mobile refrigerators, maintaining a constant, cool temperature to keep the dough fresh and stop the fermentation process at exactly the right point. They travel from the central production facilities to hundreds of individual Domino's stores across the region. This hub-and-spoke model is incredibly efficient. It ensures that every store, no matter how remote, receives a consistent supply of fresh, ready-to-use dough every day or two. This means your local Domino's doesn't have to worry about the complex and space-intensive process of making dough from scratch. Instead, they can focus on what they do best: assembling and baking your perfect pizza. So, the dough has arrived at your local Domino's. What happens next? The trays are stored in a walk-in cooler, waiting for your order to come in. When you place your order online or over the phone, the clock starts ticking. A pizza maker grabs a dough ball and takes it to the slapping station. This is where the artistry begins. Using a technique that's part skill, part muscle memory, they press and stretch the dough ball out on a bed of cornmeal. The cornmeal is crucial. It prevents the dough from sticking and gives the bottom of the crust that signature gritty texture and extra crunch. They work quickly, transforming the dense ball into a flat, round pizza base in just a few seconds. They don't use a rolling pin, as that would compress the air pockets created during fermentation. Instead, it's all done by hand to maintain that light and airy texture. Once the base is formed to the right size, whether it's for a personal pan or an extra-large feasted S, placed on a pizza screen. This is a circular metal mesh that allows hot air to circulate underneath the pizza in the oven, ensuring the crust bakes evenly and gets perfectly crispy. Now, it's time for the sauce. Domino's uses a rich, tangy tomato sauce made from vinery-penned tomatoes and a secret blend of herbs and spices. A specialized spoodle, which is part spoon, part ladle, is used to apply the perfect amount of sauce. One perfectly measured scoop is swirled outwards from the center in a spiral motion, leaving a small border for the crust. This technique ensures that every single bite has a consistent amount of sauce. Next up, The cheese. And Domino's does not skimp on the cheese. They use a blend of 100% real mozzarella cheese, mixed with a hint of provolone for that extra stretch and flavor. The cheese is pre-shredded and kept chilled. Pizza makers grab handfuls and sprinkle it evenly over the sauce, making sure to cover it from edge to edge. The amount of cheese is also carefully measured based on the size of the pizza to deliver that satisfying, cheesy goodness every time. Consistency is the name of the game. Now, for the fun part, the toppings. This is where your pizza really becomes your own. From classic pepperoni and mushrooms to more adventurous options like pineapple and Galapagos, the variety is huge. All the toppings are pre-prepped, vegetables are chopped, meats are cooked, and sliced and stored in separate containers in a refrigerated prep station. This keeps everything fresh and makes assembly super fast and efficient. The pizza makers follow specific guidelines for the amount of each topping to ensure the pizza isn't overloaded, which could make it cook unevenly. They place each ingredient strategically for balanced flavor and a great look. With all the ingredients in place, the pizza's ready for the main event. The oven. Domino's stores use incredibly powerful conveyor belt ovens. These aren't like your oven at home. They are calibrated to a precise, high-temperature oven, over 500 degrees Fahrenheit, or 260 Celsius. The pizza maker simply places the pizza on one end of the moving conveyor belt. The belt then slowly carries the pizza through the oven. The journey takes just a few minutes, typically around 6 to 8 minutes. Inside, powerful jets of hot air cook the pizza from both above and below. This intense, consistent heat is what melts the cheese perfectly, cooks the toppings, and gives the crust that beautiful golden brown color and crispy finish. As the pizza emerges from the other side of the oven, it's perfectly cooked and piping hot. A team member is waiting to catch it. They use a pizza peel to slide it from the screen onto a cutting board. Using a long, sharp roller cutter, they slice the pizza into equal slices with just a few quick, practiced motions. The number of slices depends on the size of the pizza, usually 6 for a small and 8 for a medium or large. Sometimes, they'll give it a light brush of a garlic oil blend on the crust for extra flavor and shine. Finally, the pizza is carefully placed into the iconic red, white, and blue Domino's box. This box is more than just packaging. It's designed to keep the pizza hot and fresh during its final journey to you. The pizza is either placed on a heated rack for customer pickup or handed over to a delivery driver, who places it in an insulated bag to maintain its temperature. From the moment the order was placed to the moment it's ready to go, the untidy and store process can take as little as 10 to 15 minutes, a testament to the incredible efficiency of the Domino's system. So there you have it. The secret to Domino's success isn't just one thing. It's a combination of centralized production for consistency, high-tech automation for speed, and the hands-on skill of thousands of dedicated pizza makers who bring it all together. The next time you open that box, you'll know the incredible journey that Slice has been on. Thanks so much for watching our deep dive into the world of Domino's, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next behind-the-scenes look. See you in the next video.